Welcome to the installation of the SportRack SR2901b Crest 2 platform style bike hitch rack. Start installation by removing the safety pins and lower the wheel tray arms to the open position. Next, bolt the stinger to the frame using a 16mm wrench. Be sure to tighten the bolts until they are very snug. Attach the first hook arm C to the vertical post in the outer position. Attach the plastic brackets to the post, slide the metal bracket over them, line up the holes, insert the carriage bolt, and tighten down the wing knob. Repeat the same steps for hook arm D, but place it in the inner position, the side closer to the vehicle. Next, slide the wheel holders onto the tray arms. Be sure to note which is the inner and outer tray. You will place the other side's trays in the opposite position. If you are using a 2-inch hitch, place the adapter onto the stinger and line up the middle hole with the threaded hole on the stinger. Insert the Crest 2 into the hitch, place the lock washer and flat washer onto the bolt, and tighten it on the opposite side of the plastic bracket. Once fully tightened, insert the cotter pin onto the end of the bolt. The vertical post may get in the way of opening your tailgate or hatch. When bikes are not loaded, it can be lowered out of the way to gain clearance. Simply remove the safety pin to lower the post out of the way. When the bike carrier is not in use, you can raise the wheel tray arms to make it more compact. To load a bike, pre-adjust the wheel holders to the proper distance, then place your bike into them and lower the hook arm onto the top tube and tighten the wing knob. Lastly, strap down both wheels, slide the Velcro strap through the slot on the end of the tray and wrap it around the wheel. Thanks for watching the installation of the SportRack SR2901b Crest 2 bike carrier. If you have further questions, visit us at rackwarehouse.com or call us at 800-272-5362. And always remember, we fit your lifestyle.